going on, everyone? I want to make a quick short video and show you one of my favorite events in Oklahoma, Hot Rods and Hamburgers. So let's keep it short. Let's go check out some badass hot rods, and we're gonna have the booth out there. This is Robert Bell's, one of the winners of the daily driver shootout. Super fast Camaro. This is Robert's Camaro. Just a beast of a car. Come on, Mike, show me something good, man.
There it is.
Hellcat swap, 69 Dart?
69 Dart UPS.
The Hellcat, out of what year Hellcat is that?
2016.
2016.
Yeah, the Challenger.
I know it makes some power.
Yeah, it runs good. I mean, real drivable still. Like everybody already knows, me and my wife drove it to California back in June. You know what I mean? Real driver friendly and runs good.
Oh yeah, 900, almost 1,000 to the roof.
I think it was 930. I believe.
Man, that's incredible.
Yeah.
And I know the dyno you've been on, it's not a friendly dyno. That thing is nobody's friend.
Yeah, it's
9-second proven car.
Yeah, we was at Bowling Green. It went 970s at Bowling Green in the heat of the day, so it's pretty impressive.
Just beautiful Chevy too. Also full interior car. 9-second car right here. Almost ran an 8. Oh, I got the sound system and everything.
Yeah, I just finished it like 2 days ago.
And what year caddy is it?
62.
62.
Yeah. It's just, it ain't perfect, but it's good enough.
What made you want to build something like this?
I own an audio shop here in Moore, 405 Car Audio. Well, I did, but I'm closing. So.
And the Cadillac was just one of your favorite cars?
Oh yeah.
Did you kind of build it into this, or did you kind of stumble onto it?
I did. I bought this car in Leavenworth, Kansas. It was a one-owner car. It was painted about 22 years ago, and I bagged it. I had Phil Bellotti at Twisted Images bagged it, and I pulled the motor, painted the motor, prettied it up. Nicholas Woodruff did all the interior.
Yeah,
all
super clean car.
Thanks, man.
Super clean.
Hello.
Yep. Oh, God.
How'd you come across something like this?
It was hers in high school.
Really?
Yeah, I've had it since 73.
You've had this car since 1973?
Yep.
If you don't mind me asking, how old were you when you got this car?
I was in high school.
Like 17, 18?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow, that's super awesome.
So,
And what,
long time.
I'm assuming the car's been through some things for it to stay in your life. I mean, you fought hard to keep it.
Yep.
Sometimes life gets in the way and we gotta let go of things.
Yep. Not this.
No, you held on, huh?
Yep.
I love it. Very nice.
Thank you.